Ako sa stop akong sharing sa... Ayan. Okay. Let's start again. Pasensya. Sige. 'Di ba kanina, what I did was that I reviewed the process of adding, like, from this form, this one is the form, and then whatever will be inputted here will be transferred to the JTable. Yung gagawin naman natin ngayon is that we will transfer the what you call this one, the values coming from JTable papunta doon sa form para that will be our platform wherein we are able to do some changes or make some changes towards the record. Okay? So to do that one, may ilalagay tayong mga code dito sa ating, what do you call this one? Sa ating JTable. So since yung process man of selecting is a mouse or sa clicking, so what you will do is that you right click on the JTable, you click on events, and then you go to mouse component, and then you click here mouse, click JTable mouse. Okay? Ito yung lalabas. On the first thing that will happen is that ito lang yung lalabas. Walang lalabas na code ha. Yung code is gagawin pa natin. Okay? So, balik ko na lang para hindi ta malangay. Okay? So, the first thing that I did is that I created a table. Ito. Ayan. This one is the standard man, di ba? Gagaya ng ginawa natin. Actually, I can do this one or I don't need to do this one, but just for assurance lang, because I did not declare this one as a global object man yun. So, basin bitaw og dili na ako siya matawag if ever. So, punta muna tayo dito para you'll have an idea. So, the first thing that I did was that I created a variable. Remove muna natin itong isang variable para hindi mo malibog yun. So the first thing that I did is that I created a variable which is first name. So you can do other names, or pwede ibang names yung gamitin niyo. And then I called the model, yung ginawa nating object, di ba? TBL model yung object. Tapos we tried to get the value. Yung point of reference niya is yung JTable 1 because that's the name of the table. Tapos you have get selected row, and then you have the index value, which is 0. If you will go back to the design of our form, the JTable has 2 columns. You have the first name, and then you also have the last name. So since this works in ArrayMan, so diba, if we could still remember our lesson in programming sa array starts its counting notation sa 0. So that would mean si first name is nasa index location 0. Tapos si last name naman is nasa index location 1. Okay? So if we'll try to go back to our code here, ibig sabihin, si first name, yung kukunin niya, yung value niya is doon sa first column on that particular selected row. Tapos i-convert niya dapat sa string kasi yung declared natin na variable is string. Okay? That's why here in the comment section, I put here, getting value from the table. Okay? The next one is that we were able to get the value, or we were able to place the selected value of the particular column and record to the first name. Now, what we will try to do is that we will try to pass this value to the text field, or to doon sa text field na first name. Okay? So to do that one, we use the simple set text na method. So you have jtext field 1 tapos set text first name. So automatically, whatever I will be selected will be placed in the variable first name, and then it will also be passed to the text field 1. Okay? So try natin i-run. Okay. Antay muna tayo ha. Medyo dugay siya ba? Sige lang. Dagan na may projects na ni Manggido ako ni Pandit ang ubandani. Okay, so let's have the form here. So for example, I have Neptali tapos Rowa. Add natin yung record. So of course, ito yung process natin. Now, yung goal natin is that dapat si Neptali malagay dito sa first name na text field. Okay? So to do that one, ayan. Nakuha nyo yung process, guys? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sige, try natin ulit example, Jeff Del Rosario. Sir Jeff Del Rosario is one of our faculty sa IT, di ba? Siya din yung coach natin sa basketball. So if you want to support our basketball, you can call or you may approach Sir Jeff. Okay? Look what happened. I click the record of Sir Jeff, tapos automatically, doon sa first name is nalagay din si Jeff. Nakuha ba yung process?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sige. Yung ginawa lang natin is that we only did the first name. Now let's do the last name. It's just the same one, guys. So to do that one, I think we can just copy this one. And then have it na, okay, try natin. And then let's have this one as our last name. Again, remember Java is case sensitive. So if yung pag-create mo ng variable is naka-uppercase, so dapat naka-uppercase din yung tatawagin mong variable. And then let's have this one as, sige daw ba? Sige. What makes this wrong man?
Ang
JText
zero,
field,
sir.
sir.
Spell 2. To, sir.
Ah? Say
GTX
two.
spell 2.
JText field 2. Very good. What else? May
Ang
pa
zero
isa.
sa string last name, sir, dapat 1.
Okay, bakit nga 1?
Kaya ang index man, sir, yung index value kaysa string last name, kay 1 naman siya, kaya na may 0.
Very good. So the placement of the last name is not in index 0 but in index 1. Okay? So try nating i-run. So I don't know, guys, if you are experiencing the same with Netbeans. Sa inyo, ba dugay kung siya mo load yapon or is it because of me nga dagan kayo akong projects dani?
Dugay Japan, sir.
Dugay
Dugay
Yapon,
Japan.
sir.
Okay, Japon.
I tried Java Eclipse, murag mas ano lang si Java Eclipse ba? Mas pa siya pero sige na ka, nasugdan naman nato sige lang. Okay, let's try to have again Neptali, tapos Roa, and then try natin si Sir Actob. Si Sir Actob. Panfilo, Actob. Sir Actob is our in charge for the chess. So kung mayroon kayong players na gustong ipaano sa kanya, you can approach him. Ayan. So again, yung kanina, si Neptali lang yung nalagay. So dapat kasama na si Roa yung malagay. Okay. Kita nyo? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, yung mangyayari ngayon is that we will try to add na sad another button because this button is for adding man. So tanong ganyan yung gali. If I will click this one, of course, ang may tabo is that it will add another ano. So our goal is to ano man, to what they call this one, to update the record, di ba? Hindi man para mag-add ng record. So to do that one, we need to add in our design form another button that will facilitate the update process. Okay? Lagyan natin dito. Okay. Tapos, change natin it into update. Okay. Ato ipadako-dako gamay ang iyang kuan niya. Okay, na kung mga nakita ba, but this is not in the section ninyo. Guys, was it clear sa akong activity nga ang gamito ninyo nga form kay katong nasa TP03? Klaro man, di ba? Correct ba ko?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lagi uban ang gipasa kay pares akong gibuwat lagi. Ako ang na-stress kagapon pag-check na ako. So, please follow the instruction na. Kanisa, this is just the example. I'm just showing you the process. So, inyong buhaton is that you need to do it based sa form na inyong na sugdan sa TP03. Okay? Ako to siyang GPM. So, feel na ako kay na sa'yo pa to siya. Okay. Let's do, what they call this one? Let's have this one sa ano, sa atong update na button. So first things first, yung gagawin natin is that we'll have first the if else, or I'll implement if else para bitaw we will know if there is really a selected row o wala. Kaya kung wala, then that would mean nga di dapat siya maka-update, di ba? Dapat ang iyong buhaton is that mag-select sa gid siya una, or the first thing that you need to do is to select yun. select first a particular row in order to facilitate the update process. So yung gagawin natin is that we'll have, for example, since our point of reference for this value is si JTable, so let's have JTable 1, tapos lagyan natin ng get selected row count, tapos lagyan natin ng equals 1. So this means, this part here is that if there is, there's selected, there's at least there's one selected row. Kasi sa JTable, pwedeng multiple selection. Okay? So kinakailangan, we need to indicate talaga na yung selection niya is talagang one only. So if it's really equal to 1, then the process of update will happen. Else, hindi na siya gagana. Okay? Same lang din, kunin natin yung object na table para just to make sure na we are calling the same object yapon. Okay? The next one that you will do is that, for example, string first name. Update natin si first name. So mangyayari is that, di ba dito, we have set text, di ba? Nilagyan na natin ng value. So instead of us putting the value for the first name for the update, wait sa guys kasi si equal lang sa. Okay, balik ta. So again, declare natin yung first name. So kanina, nag-set text tayo. Di ba the set text process, it's like you putting a value on the text field. Yung ginawa lang natin is that instead of tayo yung magbibigay ng value, yung ginawa natin is that we got the value from the table. Okay? So you have string first name and then let's have J text field 1, ito, dot get text. Okay? Oops. Get name na siya noon. Okay, ganyan. And then after that one, try nating i-update dayon yung value. Okay. You have TBL model, TBL model that set value. Okay, this is already the process of updating na. Okay, set value tapos lagyan natin ng first name. This one will be the basis of the value sa ating updated na record. You also have, you need to declare kung saan siya ilalagay. So JTable 1 dot get selected row, tapos we indicate the column 0 and then ganyan. Okay? Am I right? Set value at there. Sorry guys. Kulang. Sige. Try natin if it works. Okay? Save natin. Tapos, let's try to run this one. Okay. Ayan. So, for example, ito. Neptali, tapos Roa. Add natin yung record. Okay. Now, let's try to select sa Neptali. Tapos, lagyan natin ng the third. Tapos, update natin. Okay. Kita nyo? Kita wala?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So,
Yes,
this
sir.
one here, si Neptali,
Yes, sir.
naging Neptali the third. So, di ba it's the output of the process is correct, but then there's something missing in the implementation. So, we can put here na every time makorek ang update, dapat may notification and then dapat ma-clear po ni siya po. Para sa itong gibuhat bitaw sa add. So, to do that one, copy natin yung process sa add na ginawa natin. Let's have this one. Yan. Tapos, lagay natin dito. Okay. So, yung nangyayari dito is that we are providing a notification to our end user na we have successfully updated or lang, record updated. Kanya na lang na. Updated. Okay. So again, ito, di ba? This one here is from text field, di ba? From text field to variable na first name. Dito naman is that from the variable, pass natin doon sa selected row slash column. Okay? So sa location ng ating na-select na record. Okay? So if you notice here, bitaw, you have it here, get selected row. Okay? This one indicates na yung selected row natin under or in index 0, yung first name, yun lang yung ma-update. The rest is hindi siya ma-modify. Now, if you will try to compare bitaw the code in adding and in inserting, yung sa adding, di ba? Yung sa inserting, we did not indicate any placement or kung saan siya ilalagay. Automatically, if there is a new record, the new record will be added on the last row, di ba? Yung sa insert naman, we specified a location of kung saan siya gagawa ng mga modifications. So again, yung update na ginagawa natin ngayon is it's only single update, okay? Kasi yan yung basic talaga. Yan yung dapat nating makuha yung concept. Okay, let's try to do it again with the changes I've made. Yung ginawa ko lang is that I added a notification and then I made sure na yung text field, if ma-update siya, ay yung record, if ma-update, automatic yung text field kung saan siya kinuha will be cleaned or will be set into blank. Okay. Try nating i-run. Okay, for example, you have it here again. Let's have other names. So, Sir John James na lang. Kimberg, muna pangalan na ako. Sige. Okay. So, if I will update, again, click natin yung single, let's do single selection. Ayan. Tapos, update natin na lagyan din ng Peter. Okay? Tapos, update natin. Okay. If you notice, if I will, after the update, na-update si John James, naging John Peter, tapos yung first name, yung text field niya is nawala, di ba? Kuha ninyo. Hello.
Yes, sir.
We'll have another one, yung sa yung sa last name. Same lang din ng process, just make sure na you have the right variable and then the placement of the record, okay? So this one will be last name. And then let's have this one as, wait lang. I think I need to change this one into text field 2. Sige. Tapos, let's have na pod another process of updating wherein yung pagbabasihan niya for the value is yung last name. Tapos, yung index niya is 1. Okay? After that, we need to clean also the second text field. Lagyan lang natin ng set text na method. Tapos, blank. Okay? Sige. Let's try to run this one again and then let's hope na it works properly. Pag hindi, then let's try to debug na naman. Okay. So this is the whole process of doing the, what you call this one? Doing the update. Okay? So if you notice, again, sa add, yung latest record inserted will be added at the last part. Yung sa update is that it's indicated kung saan mo lang siya i-update. So for example, Vincent Jano. Razalo dahil na ang last name ni Sir John. Let's add a record and then let's try to edit this one na remove lang natin yung Vincent. Tapos update natin. Okay, if I click this okay, makuha nyo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's try to entertain questions muna before I proceed with the else part sa ating if else na implementation. Sige daw, if you have question, you can turn on your microphone. May pangutana ba? Wala pangutana. Kung walang tanong, kindly send me a thumbs up reaction daw, be, in our in-call messages. Yan. How about the others? Okay, sige. I think walang question kasi it's quite basic naman, no? Sige, so punta tayo. Nakay code sa placeholder, sir. Placeholder is used whenever you don't have labels on your input field. So I don't use placeholder, especially if it's desktop application. Okay? So pag may label na, magandang question din yun na, placeholders are usually here man, di ba? So you don't put that one if you already have a label. Pag walang label, that you can do placeholder. Pwede rin. But I don't have or I can't memorize or di ko alam yung code ng placeholder. Sige lang, let's try to have that one in our next activity. Okay? That was a question from Sanchez. Or basin na mo Sanchez, you can share it with us. Okay. Ano to? Wala daw. Okay, wala daw ako na. Sige. I usually use placeholder pag web forms. Sige lang. Okay, let's do naman the else part. The else part, actually, wala naman talagang medyo ganap dito sa else part. Yung gagawin lang natin is that we'll put lang a notification, yung dialog box natin, na pag wala siyang maseselect or walang selected na row, we can put it here na no row, no record or row selected. Okay? Yan lang yun. Sige. Try natin if it works. Okay. Ayan na. If I will click update, look what will happen. No row or record is selected. That's why it doesn't do any update on the process. Okay? Let's say, for example, Neptali tapos row. Add natin. And then let's do update. No record selected. Di ba? Nakuha nyo? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, ako ni klaro na. Naku, ipang uli ra mga TP. Kaya ang gibuwat kay nani lang gibuwat nila. Na my instruction was very clear. I think it's here pa pagyapon. Now, using TP03 na output, dili inani ang ipasa ako Ang ini kay gipasa ra gyapon nila sa ako kung sa akong gidemo karon. Okay? Implement the things you've learned in your in your TP04 para ano na dayon. Para dito magbalik-balik. Okay? So, for your TP05, we cannot do it or I've decided na di na ako siya ihatag not unless mahuman ako og discuss ang delete. Okay? So, good news, si delete will be discussed pa next week. Okay? So, Paula siya sa TP, kaya magdagan na kayo mong task performance ako di pa ginaw ka siya ng uban. Sige. For your siya nagali, para bitaw, everyone can submit TP04. Please utilize the time I gave today para at least man lang you can submit on time. Okay? Correct ba? I think Daugan would like to speak. Daugan, what's your question? Same goes with Dan Derek. Dan Derek, what is your question? Do you have concerns?
Sa oras ang deadline, sir.
Sa ano? For this TP04? It's only until today ba ya? It's only until today.
What time, sir?
No, before 12 midnight.
Sir?
Before 12 midnight.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Who else ang naipay question? Normal. You have a question from Rino. Dobi, sir, nagamit kog combo box sa TP03. Sa imo ramang gyapon, mo sa text field gyapon kay. You have a question or someone is raising their hand? Aljay, sige daw Aljay. What's your question? Question ha. Kung about sa attendance, again, balik-balik tala ni ang attendance, kato mga nanga late, palihog ko, pabilin mo unya. Aljay, what's your question?
Sir, na lang ko concern about sa akong Netbeans, sir ba?
What's your problem?
Nawala ang palit sir sa na ipagpabalik.
Naasa, ayun, Yung palette bitaw, di ko sure kung pa sa ako ha. Nana siya sa window man siguro. Di ko sure, nasa view. Dahil niyo. Ay, makita man di, sorry. Sa pa. Pag nawala ang palette sa Mac OS man gyud gila siya. Or for those nga parang same daw og concern daw be, kindly help with with Alj. Si Alj bitong nagstorya. Dahil yung sa ako kaya ako makitaan sa window. The palette bitaw dayon. I can just have it here in yung area. I'm to show you. Now, pwede na ka mag-reset Windows and then everything will go back na dayon. You can, I think, also use kanibitong sa view, toolbars, and then, ano ni dayon gyapon. Okay? Tanan niya mo na nga close nimo, ma-access na nimo sa mga toolbars nga available dani. Okay? Okay ba? Ano ko talaga, nakalimot ko.
Thank you, sir.
Sige. Sabo. Sa paglalay pa na ipangutana lain. Ni pangutana. Sige. I'll stop the recording ha. Again guys, sa TP04